How you doing? Today I'm here with Dave McCoy. Dave is the welding instructor over at PRP High School, who we formed a great relationship with a couple years ago. It's been about 2.5, 3 years that we've been taking their students. They summer help with us, they roll in the co-op, and then they're off for full-time employment. PRP High School, located here in Louisville, is probably the best as far as our high schools go for vocational schools in getting these students trained and having them prepared to be welders. So Dave, if you could, just tell us what you're doing here today.
Well, today we have, it's an all-females welding competition, and it's statewide. I've had this idea for years. You know, I've been teaching for 21 years, and every year I've taught all but one class I've had females in. Well, this year we've got 20 females just at PRP alone, and we're not the only school that has a large number of females. And so I've always wanted to do a all-girls competition, because being a small group of people, they get to compete in all of the competitions, but they don't have, you know, they don't have their own. You know, when I talked to Nick Brown from the local here, I was telling him what my ideas were, and he were like, hey, we'll do it. Let's do it. And since then, we've got multiple companies here. We've had almost 15 grand worth of a sponsorship, much to your appreciation from you all. There's 3 levels of competitors: first-year students, second-year students, and third-year students, so freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and seniors. And there's 3 level projects. They have a blueprint that they have to read. So the caliber of the project and the caliber of the student that's competing is, to me, above and beyond what you're looking for industry-wise. So,
one of the reasons that we chose to help sponsor this program is, number one, our relationship with PRP, but number 2, I think it's such a worthwhile endeavor. Just in your time as an instructor, how have you seen the female population of welders grow?
last year we had 3, this year we have 20. Next year I expect that I think we're going to end up being inside at 20, 30 females every year.
That's awesome.
Literally.
Even in our shop, we were up to actually 5 female welders at WireCrafters, which is 10% of our weld force is now females, and 20% of our weld force actually came directly from Mr. McCoy's program. So it's been a great partnership. These guys do a great job educating the students, getting prepared for the real world and for jobs, and then we keep that ball rolling once we get them. So congratulations on this. This is an awesome event. I look forward to seeing who wins. And go Danielle, that's our WireCrafter welder involved in this. Thank you guys.